Let me walk you through how to set up your Google credentials in n8n within 5 minutes. Let's go. Once you are in n8n, open up any Google node. I have document, drive, calendar or sheets. Open any of them. Once you opened it, you need to connect the credentials. Click on create a new credential, and we need to get the client ID and client secret. So we'll open the docs here. As you can see, we need to have a Google Cloud account. So just click on this Google Cloud account and you will be redirected to this page. Head over to console. Once you are in console, you need to create a new project. On the left hand side, you can see this demo. It's already my project, so I'll go over here and click on new project. You can name this project anything. I'm naming it as n8n demo. Click on create. So now make sure that you select this project. Hit on select project. Once this project is selected, you can see it over here and click on this hamburger menu on the left hand side and scroll down to APIs and services. Now we need to go into OAuth consent screen. So click on get started. You can name the app anything. I am naming it n8n demo. Add your email. Click on next. Click on external. Next. Contact information. Add your email ID again. Click on next. Agree to terms. Continue. Create. So now we have we have our OAuth configured. Now let's create an OAuth client. Select the application type as web application and name it anything. n8n test. You need to add an authorized redirect URL. So head back to your n8n screen and you can see this OAuth redirect URL, and you can just copy this and go back, add this to our authorized redirect URL and create. Perfect. As you can see, we've got our client ID. You can download it as JSON. Just copy the client ID, go back to n8n, paste the client ID over here. Okay, now we need to get our client secret. So head over to credentials, click on n8n test, and you can see client secret over here. Just copy the client secret, head over to n8n and paste your client secret over here, and now you will see the sign in with Google option. So we need to publish it. Head over to audience and you can add test users. You can add your email and save it. Your email has been added. Publish the app. So we've only done half of the part. Now we need to actually enable APIs and services and search for Google Drive. You can click on enable. So Google Drive API will be enabled. You can see the status enabled. Similarly, you can do this for calendar and other Google apps as well. I think we're good to go. Head back, click on sign in. So as you can see, now we can log into our account. Click on advanced and click on the last link. Go to forgefire.work, select all the options, grant Google all the access, click on continue, and as you can see, connection is successful. Account connected successfully. So we have successfully connected our Google account with Google Docs. Now you can do this for the drive as well. Create new credential, get the client ID and client secret, copy the client secret, paste it over here, save, sign in with Google. And as you can see, our Google Drive is also connected with n8n. That's how simple this is. You can see all the files in my drive. So I hope this video was useful. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.